MK is one. We only have the leadership in the MK, and I'm still part of the leadership.
So the IEC says they received both letters from you. Remember the second letter you had said?
No, that is the internal issues. That's not about the media.
This is the clarity.
Why were you not at the rally? Why were you not at the MK rally this past weekend?
Because as I'm here, the President Zuma is in KZN. So
but what could be so important for you to miss your own party's?
I didn't miss it.
But you were not there.
No, meaning to be there doesn't mean not to be there doesn't mean that you missed it.
So you're here today
the party is going to the elections on the 29th. So leaders must go all over and canvass.
So is
But
there
we
no
can't
bad blood
pretend that the
between you
letter
and
was-
members of the leader? I mean, members of the party. Is there no bad blood? No internal
No,
fighting?
there's no bad blood.
So you remain the registered party leader.
Yes.
And what about your court application then?
Court application is internal.
In what capacity are you here? Who you representing? The MK leaders say you've been expelled, but you're here today saying you're representing the
So
MK.
being here for yourself, what can you say? I'm here because I'm a leader of the MK.
Is this not a
That
futile
is why I'm
exercise?
here. No, it's not a futile exercise. How can it be?
It is because you're expelled.
Who says I'm expelled? You decide that I'm expelled. You can't expel me from my organization. It's impossible.
The Constitutional Court judgment on Zuma, do you think that is helping your case?
No. We are going to go to another court to apply for revision, for it to be set aside.
Have you made
So
Jacob Zuma
you're
try
going
and
to
resolve
help
this?
him to apply for it? The same person who
He is
kicked you
now our leader in the face. He's the face of our party, so we have to help him.
Yeah, but have you guys met to try and resolve this internally, because it has created infighting within the organization?
Fighting in every organization, there is fighting, but as a leadership, we sit down and talk.
Have you spoken with the leadership of the party? Have you spoken to
We speak all the time. We need to speak.
But according to party members, you're not the registered party leader.
Well, who said that?
Abontamu.
Then it's fine. Talk to Ntamul about
And
that.
your own letter to the IEC says the same.
My letter.
To the IEC.
There's no letter that is written by me that I'm not a party leader.
When you were informing them that Mr. Zuma will now be the face, you indicated
No.
to them that you had resigned.
Go back and read the letter, what it says.
So as you stand here today, what position are you actually holding in the MK?
I'm here standing for the MK as
what?
a leader
In what
of
capacity?
MK. As a leader of MK.
Can you just maybe address those allegations that you are working against the MK and working with the ANC?
Well, that's your issue outside MK. MK don't have people working with the ANC. And myself, I have never worked with the ANC. Okay, thank you.